guys, welcome back to my video. So today's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Don't be sad. I know it is an President's Day, but stay home, do your thing. You can invite 2 people, 3 people, as long as your table is big, that's fine. So today I'm gonna show you my remix, like turkey party 2. Last time we did part 1. So today we're bringing party 2 for the turkey. Last week I did a rehearsal. It was not easy, but today I am a pro right now. So I finished stuffing my turkey. Everything is ready to go. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Hey guys, here I am making a turkey with Miss Nene. All right. And
I'm the big sister, guys.
That's right.
I don't like this. I don't like it. Friend's little brother, so my Magina, and her big sister is Nene too. So he's coming here to learn today how to make turkey, right?
And here we are making a perfect turkey with great veggies underneath the turkey, making it so juicy.
Yeah,
hey guys,
so
I wish you guys
juicy.
were here so you can smell it already.
Oh yeah, it's
this is gonna
good.
be amazing. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Stay safe and healthy.
Don't go out. Stay home. No crowded places. Please do it for your family, because we don't want anyone to pass out after Thanksgiving. So eat your turkey and stay home. There we go. He's a chef today.
I'm trying.
Whoa, Mrs. Turkey. Hey guys, the turkey is ready to go. It's all stuffed, and we are waiting for about 5 hours or 6 hours. Otherwise, guys, welcome back. Here's the turkey. Mrs. Turkey is ready. Guys, I was sweating. So I just finished taking a shower. I did all my laundry, my dishes, and come back after 6 hours. It's ready. So if you watched my video last time, you know that I love my turkey looking like it's burned. That's the only way I can guarantee that it's cooked, right, Pete? So please, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and suggestions. So click the subscribe button below for more videos to come. Love you.
This side dish that I wanted to make this because Congolese people love mandazi, so I decided to just make mandazi. So yummy, looking good. After 4 hours, guys, we finally gonna start getting ready to eat this.
Guys, welcome back to our table. The dinner is ready to be served. Mrs. Turkey is ready. Yes, I had a hard time cooking it because it's so big, and we are ready to eat. I promise we're gonna practice social distancing. Look, the table is so big, and we are only like 4 people here, so we didn't break any rules. Don't forget to share, subscribe for more videos to come. Stay tuned with Nene Cuisine 2020. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time.